For the first method, you want to double check the battery of your wireless keyboard. Make sure that it's charged up. You could also replace the batteries, see if that works. You should also check your wireless receiver. If it's been damaged, then you want to replace it. For the next method, keep your wireless keyboard connected to your computer. You want to plug in another keyboard, like a wide one or something, a keyboard that works. Then you want to go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand keyboards. Now you want to find your wireless keyboard. If you do see it here, then you want to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. You could also search for updated drivers using Windows Update. Click on check for updates. Make sure that your Windows is fully up to date. Your keyboard may also come with a software like my one does. If it does, then go to your software and then click on your keyboard and then go to settings. Make sure that your keyboard firmware is up to date. For the next method, go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in msdt.exe space -id space keyboard diagnostic and then click on enter. And now this will come up, the keyboard troubleshooter. Click on next. It's now going to start detecting problems with your wireless keyboard. If it finds anything, it will try to fix it for you. See if that works. For the last method, just do a simple restart of your computer. Come back into Windows and then hopefully one of these methods will have fixed your problem.